Hey, welcome back to another video here on my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva, just in case you're new here. And we're going to be reviewing a wig today. This one is going to be a glueless wig by Alipearl. Without any further ado, let's get to it. So in the box they sent me a whole bunch of stuff. Some of them I don't even know what they are, but this is an elastic band that I use sometimes for my edges. This one is a mirror and it has their name on it, as you can see there. I also got a pair of stocking cap, an edge brush, and also a bag to store my wig in when I'm not using it. So this is what the wig look like up close, guys. As you can see, it's pre-part, pre-plucked, pre-bleach, pre-cut, pre-everything. So I'm just putting my stocking cap on because I'm gonna need it. As you can probably tell, my hair is red underneath. Yes, I cut my hair off and dyed red, but that's gonna be for a whole nother video. Okay, so let's wait for another video to speak on that. So the wig have an adjustable elastic band in it. It also is pre-bleached like I told y'all, and it has a clip in the back to help to secure it onto your head. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and put it on just to see what it looks like. Y'all, as soon as I put the wig on, I was not expecting it to look as good as it did. Like, I didn't do anything to it yet and it looks so good. Here I'm just adjusting it onto my head so it will fit me properly and in place how I want it. And like I said, guys, I am just so shocked at how good this wig looks straight out of the bag. I am so ready to go ahead and, you know, fix it up how I like it. So I'm gonna add some edge wax stick around the edges to lay the hair down so they will look much better, because even though it's a glueless wig, we're gonna make it look like we, you know, glue it down, kind of, you know, just make it look really nice and natural. You can't really tell that it's glueless. Yeah. And this edge wax stick that I'm using, I believe I got it on Amazon. And as you can see, it's already looking so good. Like, I have done so much to it, and this is straight out the box, guys. I'm gonna also add some of the edge wax stick on the top of it because I'm gonna use my hot comb to just lay the hair down a little bit more. So right here I'm showing you guys the wig up close. Like, the lace at the front is lifted a little bit. Even though it looks like it's laying down on my skin, the tip right where the lace is cut off, it's lifting up a little bit, and that happened from the hair being inside of the bag. So I'm gonna use some got to be glued gel to hold that down. I know I said it's glueless and all, but I cannot wear it like that just because, like I said, the lace is lifted up. But hopefully the next time I'm wearing it, because it will be more tamed, I guess, I won't need to do this to it. But for now, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So at the end, I'm not gonna be showing you guys, you know, how I put the comb under it and all of that, because I have to like tack it down just so it will look good. I believe I could honestly say that this is my favorite wig I got in like the last couple of months, and I believe the reason is because it's easy to put on, easy to take off. It's already plucked and everything, and it looks so natural. As I'm editing this video, I'm already planning on putting it back on because it's like I need this hair on my head so bad, and I believe it will look cute for all these TikTok videos that I have to make coming up this week. And as you can see, guys, I'm only using the gel at the very edge, and like I said, that's the only, you know, problem area that I have where it was lifting due to it being sitting in a bag. If I have any idea how I could fix that without doing it, you know, adding the gel onto it, then I would have done that, but this is like the only way I can think of doing it. Now I'm gonna tie that area down with a piece of elastic band and let it completely dry while I work on the rest of the hair. And by working on the rest of the hair, I don't mean anything crazy. I'm just gonna be using my hot comb to lay the edges down around the side of my face, and also to lay down the middle of it so it could look really nice and natural. So like I mentioned in many of my other videos before, when you're doing this step, it's better to do the sides first before doing where the parting is, and this is gonna give it a really nice look. So you want to lay the hair down around the sides first before you go on to the middle or wherever you have that parting in the top. So I'm just gonna continue doing this until I'm satisfied with the outcome, and already I'm loving the way it's looking. It looks really silky. Another thing about this hair is really soft and easy to manage, as you can see. And shredding, no, I don't have that problem, and it's easy to comb through. That's another good thing about it. Usually this would be the part where I start spraying water on it and add hair product and all of that, but I decided that I'm gonna do my makeup, change my outfit and all of that, and then when I get back I'm gonna start spraying the water on it. And we are back, and the shirt I'm wearing, I found this orange shirt somewhere in Marshall or Ross, one of the two of them, I can't remember for sure. But anyway, what I'm spraying on my hair is water mixed with oil and leave-in conditioner, and you can use any leave-in conditioner of your choice, also any oil of your choice once it's the oil for hair. And I'm just gonna keep spraying the water on my hair until I feel like I have enough on it. And I really regret not combing or brushing the hair out. Not that I had a problem with it, but I feel like the curls would have come in more if I did that. But anyway, we gonna work with it the way it is. And as you can see here, guys, the hair looks so moisturized. That's what the water does for it. I also didn't add any cream on it, which I wish I did. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, put my earring in, and then we're gonna finish this video off. So this is it, y'all, all done. And let me tell y'all, I am so in love with this hair. Like, it is so beautiful. Do y'all see these curls? And like I said before, it's very light, very easy to manage, and it's a glueless wig, something that you could put on, you know, at the beginning of the day, and at the end of the day you take it right back off before going to bed. And the only reason why I glue it down or gel it down like you saw me did is because of the lace, the way it was lifted, like I show you guys. But hopefully the next time I'm ready to wear it, I won't have to gel it down. This unit is a must have, especially for people who don't know how to put their wigs on, or for people who have to work and they don't have much time to invest in their hair. It looks beautiful, as you can see, guys. When I put it on straight out the box, it was looking perfect. I will be leaving the information for this hair in the description box, so make sure you check that out. And I will also be leaving a discount code for you guys, for you to save some money when you go to purchase this hair on their website or any other hair that they may have. Can y'all tell that I am so in love with this hair? Like, I cannot stop touching it. It's like so addicting. It's so soft. I just can't keep my hands out of it. Guys, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below in the comment box, and I will do my best to get back to them as soon as I possibly can. As usual, guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.